Hi everyone and welcome. I'm Susie Pallett, President at Black Hat. First off, on behalf of our entire team at Black Hat, thank you for registering for Europe 2025. You've secured your place at what promises to be the most critical cybersecurity gathering of the year, and we absolutely cannot wait to welcome you to Excel London this December. This welcome guide is your essential roadmap to maximising every moment of this extraordinary event. This isn't just another resource, it's your insider's guide to navigating on-site logistics, accessing our virtual platform, staying updated on scheduling, and unlocking exclusive special programs that could transform your cybersecurity journey. But here's why this event is absolutely unmissable. We're living through the most dangerous and dynamic period in cybersecurity history. Every single day, threats are evolving at breakneck speed, and the stakes have never been higher. This December, you're not just attending a conference, you're joining a mission-critical assembly of the world's most brilliant cybersecurity minds, all united with one purpose: to stay ahead of the attackers who never sleep. When the global cybersecurity community comes together at Black Hat, magic happens. Every handshake could lead to the partnership that stops the next major breach. Every session you attend could give you the insight that saves your organisation millions. Every skill you develop in our training could be the difference between a secure network and a devastating attack. And speaking of what awaits you, prepare to be blown away by this year's agenda. Intensive hands-on training that will elevate your technical skills with both 2-day and 4-day deeply technical sessions led by industry legends. A full day of exclusive summits, our Executive Summit, AI, Security and Financial Services, where you'll gain strategic insights that you simply can't get anywhere else. Keynotes that will reshape how you think about cybersecurity, from Max Smeets takes you into the ransomware machine, Linus Newman reveals critical vulnerabilities in our everyday systems, Joe Tidy exposes dangerous progression from script kiddie to cyber kingpin, and Louise Morel-Hurel challenges us to think about international accountability in cyberspace. 2 full days of cutting-edge briefings featuring the latest research, developments and trends that are shaping our industry right now. We're bringing you the content that speaks directly to the European cybersecurity landscape. You'll discover how China Nexus APTs are exploiting thousands of phones through a single entry point, with insights from Dutch researchers who have uncovered this massive threat. You'll learn how CERT Poland is revolutionising nation-scale security operations, scanning tens of thousands of Polish entities to keep an entire country secure. Romanian researchers will show you how they're exposing hidden devices behind encrypted doors, while Spanish experts reveal how they're taking control of European railway signalling systems. And our UK speakers are bringing game-changing research on cloud security vulnerabilities, SAML authentication bypasses, and Kerberos delegation attacks that could impact organisations across Europe. In our business hall, there are a phenomenal amount of partners showcasing cutting-edge technologies and solutions for all of your cybersecurity needs. Plus, don't miss our Startup Spotlight competition, where tomorrow's cybersecurity innovations are born. And experience our legendary Black Hat Lock, where you can witness real-time network operations that keep our entire event secure. This isn't just thought leadership and professional development. This is your chance to be part of the solution to the greatest challenges facing our digital world. The connections you make, the knowledge you gain, and the skills you develop at Black Hat Europe 2025 will ripple out far beyond December, strengthening not just your career, but our entire industry's ability to fend against the threats that keep us all awake at night. Our cybersecurity community is only as strong as the people who show up, who engage, and who commit to pushing our collective defence forward. Thank you for being one of those people and part of the Black Hat community. And thank you for making the choice to be part of something bigger than yourself. We wish you safe travels to London, and we cannot wait to see you at Excel this December. Get ready for an experience that will change how you think about cybersecurity forever. See you soon at Black Hat Europe 2025.